Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make low-calorie chocolate chip cookies. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on smart swaps. We'll explore alternatives like unsweetened applesauce for some butter and a sugar substitute for granulated sugar. These changes significantly reduce the calorie count without sacrificing taste. You'll be surprised how delicious these healthier versions can be. Get ready to bake a batch of guilt-free goodness. For smart ingredient swaps, consider replacing half of the butter with unsweetened applesauce. This simple change cuts down on fat and calories. Instead of regular granulated sugar, use a zero-calorie sugar substitute. You can also use a blend of 1/4 regular sugar and 3/4 substitute for a balanced taste. Choose mini chocolate chips. They provide chocolatey goodness in every bite using less overall sugar. To achieve the best results, chilling your cookie dough for at least 30 minutes is crucial. This helps prevent the cookies from spreading too much in the oven, ensuring a perfect texture. Bake your cookies at 350 degrees F or 175 degrees C for 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack. This allows them to firm up properly. Now you have delicious, low-calorie chocolate chip cookies to enjoy. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days to maintain freshness. Remember, even with reduced calories, portion control is key to enjoying these treats responsibly. Savor each bite without the usual guilt. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on managing your money, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.